In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print envelopes from Google Docs. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide that will make this process seamless and quick. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Docs. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign into your Google account. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll want to click on Blank Document. This will open a new untitled document where we can start setting up our envelope printout. With the document open, look to the top menu and find the option labeled Extensions. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Create and Print Labels, Label Maker for Avery and Combiti. Now, if you haven't installed this add-on yet, don't worry. You can easily add it by selecting Add-on from the menu and following the prompts to install the extension. After installing or opening the label maker, click on Create Labels to proceed. A pop-up window will appear with various options, allowing you to choose the type of label you want to create. While the temptation might be to explore, let's stay focused and click on the Label Template option. In the template menu, select Envelopes, as we are creating an envelope label after all. Now, you'll need to determine the size of the envelope you want to print. The tool offers a variety of sizes, so it's important to select the one that best matches your physical envelopes. With the desired size selected, the next step is to type in your envelope details. Here, you'll enter the address information and any additional details you want printed on the envelope. Ensure that everything is correctly spelled and formatted, as this will appear on your final print. Once you've typed the necessary information, you may want to make enhancements or corrections. Simply edit the envelope details if needed, ensuring everything looks exactly how you want it to appear on the actual envelope. You can adjust the font, text size, and even the alignment until you're satisfied with the layout. Finally, it's time to print your envelope. Click on the Print button, usually located towards the top or bottom of the template window. A print dialog box will open, and you should ensure that your printer is set up correctly and loaded with the appropriate envelope stock. Check your print settings to confirm everything is in order, and then initiate the print job, and there you have it. A personalized envelope printed straight from Google Docs, ready to be sent off with your next mail batch. This whole process is efficient and straightforward, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it a fantastic way to handle envelope printing right from your computer. Thanks for joining me today, and happy printing!